MotoGP action from the TT of Assen. With action on and off the track. And some of my best pictures. Please enjoy this summary. Welcome to ABCD Videos. Start of the MotoGP race. Electric MotoE bikes. Dutch hardstyle on the campsite.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Ivan Ortola crashing. Please subscribe if you like my videos.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth.
Rookies Cup action. More campsite mayhem. See more racing videos on my channel. Marc Marquez at top speed.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory, yeah. Don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day.
Hey stoppie. Moto3 racing action. Last overtake in the MotoE. Hope to see you in my next video.